Agafar USA is bringing the best Korean skincare experiences to American consumers. Watch this video to learn how you can benefit from the Agafar Double Pro Ampoule on Amazon.
There is a quiet reality to the moment you look in the mirror and see your internal vitality being masked by the deepening of expression lines and a softening of firmness. You already know how to read an ingredient list. Your skin moved past the promises of mass-market trends a long time ago. Yet finding a treatment that meets that standard often leads to a frustrating, narrow choice. You are left to navigate a sea of vague, proprietary blends, or surrender to harsh treatments that leave your face reactive, stressed, and hiding from the sun. You need a sophisticated, transparent protocol designed for structural renewal, one that respects the skin barrier while it will trend. It is a formula built on 45 specific ingredients, full INC disclosure, and absolute transparency. And at the center of this formulation sits a specific, active complex, an 8-peptide complex, each one selected and verified to target the visible markers of time. This is the domain of clinical actives like Hydrolyzed and Matrixyl, names that represent the sophisticated future of structural appearance renewal. But power is nothing without the support to sustain it. The formula surrounds these peptides with Ceramide NP and deep hydrators, creating a protective matrix that supports the barrier through every hour of the night. Because this science relies on calming peptide-based renewal rather than irritation, it offers a year-round path for those whose skin can no longer tolerate the reactivity of traditional retinols. This nightly protocol serves as the clinical anchor for a routine that evolves with your skin's specific needs. Whether the goal is deeper resilience, professional brightening, or the pursuit of a complete glass skin transformation, the protocol adapts to you. 2 to 3 drops, 60 seconds to absorb, a sensory nightly ritual that leaves the vitality of the next morning entirely up to your imagination. This is Agafar, clinical heritage, total transparency. Your skin's nightly protocol starts here. Find the Agafar Double Pro Ampoule and the complete clinical sets on Amazon.
Calm Skin. Quiet Glow by Agafar.